Today we're at a local low-income manufactured home community, and yep, you got it. I got to get up underneath the trailer and there's a leak, and I think it's back towards the center, so we've got some crawling around to do underneath a dirty trailer. Right over there looks like the water main shut off. I gotta go around the back here where there's an access to get under. Oh, this looks fun. Oh boy. Yeah. That leak I heard was way up underneath that broken AC ducting. Oh, look at all the cobwebs. I'm either gonna have a face full of that or else a muddy behind after this one. All right, time to hit the hole. Oh, gosh, wish me luck. Oh, we gotta get back in there. Crap. Oh, crap. Oh, this is nasty. Oh yeah. Okay, I see some piping up in there. Let me take a look. Ooh. All right, there's some water piping up in there. Old PEX. Somewhere up in there. Something's broken. I don't know. Let me get set up and we'll see. And get my partner to turn the water on so we can find that leak. Okay. Wow. This is tough back in here. What a mess. Whew. And it smells too. Bad. Looks like a big pool of water right there. I'm close. All right, go ahead and cut the water on. Ooh, there it is. Shut it off! Right there. Coming out of that piece of pipe right there. It's split. Can you see that? Ooh, bad stuff right there. Okay. Wow, what a mess. All right, I have to get up there and cut that. That pipe split. Come on, focus camera. Right there. Yeah, right in there. I'm gonna have to try to take that shark bite off and then cut this line back. Yep. Ooh, this stuff is just falling apart. It's bad. Oh yeah. Bad stuff right there. It's on the hot water too. Man, that stuff is just brittle as hell. See that? Wow. I'm gonna have to try to find a way to get that whole piece off there without breaking it all. This gray stuff is crap. Come on, baby. Come off there. Look at all the cables that are laying around. I got it. I can connect that back with this. Where are you? Up in there. I'm gonna put a 90 on here, 3/4. See that fit. That's all I got. I'm gonna add another one on the other piece that I cut. Man, it is really nasty underneath here. I'm gonna take some blue PEX and another 90. Put that into the shark bite like that, and then up to our other line and try to loop them both together. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Gotta get in there. Can I make it? Oh, man, there's so much wiring in here. This is very difficult. Oh, God, help me, please. I can't get it on there. Now we can cut that and angle it back where it needs to be. Stinky business right here, pal. Stinky business. Oh, come on, get over. All the way. Oh. I'm gonna have to see what happens, I guess. I really don't trust that gray piping. Got some kids that are running over right over top of my head here. All right, nice and slow. Turn the water on. Okay, we're live with water. It's starting to come up to pressure. That's the piece I'm worried about the most right there. I don't care about the rest of it. So far, looking okay. Just got to get up the temperature, up the pressure here, almost. There we go. We're getting there. You know what these kind of leaks do? They breed more leaks. I can get up out of here. This is a mess. I'm hung up on something down there. Okay, on our way out. Oh, oh crap. Oh. I see daylight. Making our way out. Good. I'll see you on the outside. Oh shit. Getting too old for this stuff. Well, I definitely am not very clean after that job. Wow. Muddy shirt, wet all over the place. I'm gonna probably have to go back home and grab another shirt or something. But I've got 2 more of these trailers I gotta get up underneath. Not in this park. Somewhere in town and do the same thing. Hopefully it's not that nasty. There's so many of these manufactured homes that got this old gray polybutylene piping in here. Let me show you what that whole thing did. I'm gonna make a circle around it. See that? There's a giant split in that pipe and a good share of underneath there is the same stuff. So all we really did is put a band-aid on a bigger problem. And I do not like using shark bites, but in this case, I don't have any other choice. That's it for this fun episode. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. Got 2 more trailers to get underneath to today, as well as a couple more jobs. We're pretty loaded down. I don't like using shark bite. The piping underneath there is just a ticking time bomb. Eventually, they're going to need a repipe big time, and guess who's probably going to be the one that does it? Thanks so much for hanging out. Keep plumbing.